The All India Gem and Jewelry Trade Federation, also called GJF, is the nodal and the largest single trade body in India, representing all over 6 lakh players, comprising of manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, distributors, laboratories, gemologists, designers, allied services, domestic gem and jewelry industry supporting 6 crore people. GJF is a responsible trade body, fully aware from the last year onwards the havoc caused by oil and men to achieve goals, and are all ready to go all the way, the government, to make sure we come out of this crisis as country comes first. Honorable FM has been continuously requesting citizens to cut down the gold buying. FM wants to rightly reduce the consumption, but has it happened? To reduce the CAD, it may not be necessary to reduce the consumption, as the effects of the exercise done by increasing import duty in the past 5 years proved futile. On the contrary, it has worked adversely, and consumption has increased as purchases were preponed and shortage was created by the slow supply. Sir, gold is the need of the citizens. It's not a fad, but part of our heritage, culture, tradition. Just cannot be short supplied. The steps government taken to take are severe. We feel the after effect of this exercise will be more severe than the present crisis. People produce art, craftsmanship, and are assets of the country, cannot be considered as liabilities. Our workers are artisans. You cannot take an Indian out of gold, but you can take gold out of Indian. Most things perish in the life. There is hardly any product import that build value to any person beyond few years. While gold has fortunately built the right saving habits across India, a habit not comparable to anything in the world. We have in our white paper submitted in January 2013 to the Finance Ministry mentioned various activities that can help reduce need of the import. Since consumption cannot be curtailed anyway, supply will find their ways in. The alternative recommendation proposed and issues of the industry are as follows. The issues that will affect industry are: duty and the gold has been increased from 1% in January 2012 to 8% in June 2013. That's 800% increase in duty, sir. Within 1 year, 800% increase in duty. This has encouraged illegal imports of the gold in the large quantities, and government is least concerned. At no time gold consumption was reduced. This is very important point, sir. At no time gold consumption in India was reduced by the way of increasing custom duty. Rather than that, it has adverse effects. The RBI issued circular notification that stating that import of gold will only be permitted against 100% cash margins, and no gold consignment will be permitted. Gold which was available to be paid after 130 days will have to be paid upfront and will affect CAD. Rather, an extension of 360 days credit could push CAD problem after 1 year. Ban on consignment gold import or causing shortage of the gold, thereby increasing hoarding. Consignment gold imports may therefore be allowed, or to amend so as to allow consignment up to the certain stipulated limits, says 350 tons per annum for domestic consumption. Such quota may be distributed to challenging agencies depending on their client requirement. This is for just 1 year till CAD situation improves. The reduced supply of gold used for manufacturing of the jewelry is paralyzing the industry and putting the artisans out of jobs and manufacturers out of business. There will be little gold available in the market. The government has now asked banks to stop or restrict supplying gold on consignment. Now there is a huge short supply of gold in the market and has developed a premium gold rates. Government has pushed the industry back in the times of raw materials controlled by smugglers and mafia. Previously, long back, gold was smuggled, but in between these years, not everything, gold smuggling was not at all viable. Now, when we cannot control consumption, we stop or regulate official supply of gold. This will convert the industry from the tax compliances to forcefully supporting the grey market supply, encouraging hawala and currency devaluations. There are various measures that industry has recommended to get relief from the CAD, but government has not taken consideration. It is estimated that Indians sold close to 25,000 tons of gold. At current gold price, this represents 1.25 trillion in value terms, sir. 1.25 trillion. It is estimated that by the end financial year 13, Indian will be 2 trillion economy. The gold stock represents over 50% of the economy. Jewelry Trade Federation, and before you interviewing us, I will just, are you aware that how many